Scandal video of Big Brother Naija housemates Nina and Miracle. Big Brother Naija housemates, Miracle, and Nina, had some cozy moments under the blanket around 1:30 am Ugandan time before their house party on Saturday. Nina, a female housemate, had told Miracle, her strategic partner, that people expected them to have sex on Friday night. Miracle and Nina, who had live sex, which some interpreted as Nina's gift to Miracle, whose birthday was on Saturday, had some romance in their sleeves again. However, this time, Nina was on top to deliver the late-night romance. Their actions have since elicited different reactions on social media, with some saying it is wrong for them to have gone the extra mile, while others see nothing wrong in the act, labeling those criticizing them hypocrites. Just ordinary sex under blanket they had on #BeebNaija and nobody will hear word today. Why all make a big deal out of something you do on a regular? SMH, one wrote on Twitter.
Yeah.